cold soup at the cafe.
Excuse me, sorry to bother you.
Of course. Is everything all right?
My soup is cold.
Oh no, I'm so sorry about that.
Could you please warm it up for me?
Absolutely. I'll take it to the kitchen right now.
Thank you. I did order it hot.
It should be hot. That's strange.
Maybe it sat too long before serving.
Yes, it's really busy today.
I can see. Every table is full.
It's lunchtime in Bristol. Always busy.
But your place smells amazing.
That's our seafood chowder, made fresh this morning.
Great. I love seafood.
Here you go. Now it's nice and hot.
Yes, I can see the steam. Thank you.
Would you like some bread with it?
Yes, please. With olive oil if you have it.
Of course. First time here?
Yes, a friend told me about this restaurant.
Lovely. We're quite famous in Bristol for our soup.
How much is the lunch menu today?
£11.50 includes soup, main, dessert, and a drink.
That's very good.
For dessert, we have apple crumble or yogurt with berries.
I'll take the apple crumble, please.
Excellent choice.
The soup tastes perfect now.
I'm so glad you like it.
Thanks for fixing it so quickly.
My pleasure. We want all our guests to be happy.
I'm happy, and I'll come back tomorrow.
We'd love that. Have a wonderful afternoon.
You too. Goodbye.
Mixed up bags at the park.
Excuse me. Sorry to interrupt.
Oh, hello. Yes?
I think you might have my backpack.
Mine? No, this is mine.
Mine is blue with a yellow tag.
Oh, mine is also blue, but no tag.
There's a red water bottle inside mine.
Wait, yes, there's a red bottle here.
See? That's mine.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
It's okay. Our bags were next to each other.
I didn't notice. My mistake.
Where's your bag now?
Over by the fountain, near the ducks.
Let's go check.
Yes, here it is. Blue, no tag.
Perfect. Everything's sorted.
Really sorry about that.
Don't worry. For a second, I thought it was stolen.
Oh no, just a mix-up.
Do you come here often?
Almost every Sunday. I love this park.
Me too. The lake with the ducks is lovely.
And the ice cream from that little kiosk, delicious.
Which flavor is best?
Vanilla or pistachio, both amazing.
Great. I'll try pistachio.
Are you on holiday in London?
Yes, until Thursday.
Make sure you visit Regent's Park too.
Thanks. Good idea.
And again, sorry about the bag.
No problem. It's actually quite funny now.
Yeah, they look almost the same.
Next time, I'll tie a ribbon on mine.
Smart plan. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
A different route in the taxi.
Good afternoon. Where to?
Hello, to the Riverside Hotel, please, near the Thames.
Got it. Let's go.
Excuse me, aren't we going down Oxford Street?
Not today. Too much traffic there.
Oh, I thought that was the fastest way.
Normally, yes, but there's road work near Tottenham Court Road.
Is this route longer?
A little longer in distance, but quicker today.
Okay, I just don't want to pay too much extra.
Don't worry. It'll only be £1 or £2 more.
How long will it take?
About 12 minutes.
That's fine. I trust you.
Cheers. I've been driving this cab for 10 years.
Wow, you must know every street in London.
Pretty much. And all the best cafes, too.
Really? Any recommendations?
Try The Anchor near London Bridge. Great fish and chips.
I love fish and chips.
Their mushy peas are perfect.
I'll go there tomorrow.
Look, there's the river.
Oh, already?
Just 2 more turns.
Your route was excellent. No traffic at all.
See? Smooth ride.
Thank you for the ride.
That'll be £8.50, please.
Here's 10. Keep the change.
Very kind of you. Thank you.
Have a lovely day.
You too, love. Enjoy London.
Wrong change at the checkout.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Would you like to pay by cash?
Yes, here's £20.
Thank you. That's £12.60 in total. Your change is £6.40.
Excuse me, I think that's not right.
Really? I'm sure it's correct.
I gave you a £20 note.
Yes, and the total is £12.60.
So the change should be $7.40.
Are you sure?
Yes, 20 minus £12.60 is $7.40.
Oh, let me check the till.
I counted it twice myself.
You're absolutely right. I'm short by £1.
Thank you for checking. It's just a small mistake.
I'm so sorry. It's been a busy day with lots of coins.
It's fine, but it's good to be accurate.
Of course. Thank you for telling me.
Could I have a bag, please?
Yes, that's 10p.
Here you go.
So your final change is £7.30.
Perfect. Now it's all correct.
Are you local or just visiting Bath?
I'm visiting. I'm from Manchester.
Oh, Manchester. Lovely city.
Yes, but I really like Bath too.
Enjoy your time here.
Thank you, and thanks for fixing the change.
No problem at all. Thanks for your patience.
Have a great day.
You too. Come back soon.
Dogs not allowed inside. Good morning.
Good morning. Would you like a table?
Yes, please, for one person.
Of course. Oh, is that your dog?
Yes, this is Milo. He's very quiet.
I'm sorry, but dogs aren't allowed inside the cafe.
Not even small dogs?
No, it's our policy, just for hygiene reasons.
I understand. He doesn't bark or jump.
I know, but some customers are allergic or nervous.
Is there outdoor seating?
Yes, right here at the front. Lovely spot in the sun.
Can I sit outside with him?
Absolutely. Outside is no problem at all.
Great. Could I see the menu, please?
Sure, here you go.
Do you have oat milk for coffee?
Yes, that's £2.50.
Perfect. One coffee with oat milk, please, and a small bowl of water for Milo.
No problem. Water's free.
Thank you. That's very kind.
Would you like anything to eat?
Yes, the tomato and avocado toast, please.
On sourdough or wholemeal bread?
Wholemeal, please.
Coming right up. About 5 minutes.
No rush. I'm in no hurry.
Here's your coffee and Milo's water.
Look, Milo, your water.
He's adorable.
Thanks. He loves people.
And here's your toast.
Thank you for letting us sit outside.
Of course, it works well for everyone.
I'll definitely come back.
We'd be happy to see you again. Have a lovely day.
You too. Goodbye. Room not cleaned. Hello.
Good morning. How can I help you?
My room 208 wasn't cleaned this morning.
Really? That's unusual.
Yes, I left the please clean sign on the door before I went out at 10 a.m.
I'll check with housekeeping right away.
Thank you. I really need fresh towels.
Of course. Would you like new bed sheets too?
Yes, please. And could they empty the bin?
Ah, I see what happened. The cleaner thought the room was occupied.
Oh, no worries. Can they clean it now?
Yes, in about 10 minutes.
Great. I'll wait in the lounge bar.
Would you like a complimentary coffee while you wait?
Yes, please. A latte if you have it.
I'll let the barista know.
The lounge is downstairs by the garden, right?
Exactly, next to the small fountain.
Perfect.
We'll call your room when it's ready.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. Are you staying long?
Yes, until Sunday.
Then we'll make sure your room is cleaned every morning.
That's excellent.
We'll get it sorted right away.
Thanks for the quick help.
Thank you for your patience. See you soon.
See you.
Faulty fan in the shop.
Good morning.
Good morning. Can I help you with something?
Yes, I bought a small desk fan here yesterday. It doesn't work.
Oh no. Does it not turn on at all?
No, I plug it in, but nothing happens.
Do you have your receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Yes, I see. Bought yesterday.
I tried it in 2 different sockets at home.
If it doesn't work in either, it must be faulty.
Can I exchange it for a new one?
Of course, we have the same model in stock.
Could we test it here before I take it?
Absolutely. Let's plug it in at the counter.
Look, it's working. I can hear the motor.
Great. Would you like this one?
Yes, please.
Would you like an extra year's warranty for £4?
Yes, I'll take it.
Perfect. Here's your new receipt.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome.
Do you also sell larger floor fans?
Yes, we have a standing fan for £35.
Not today, but I might come back next week.
No problem. We're open every day from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m.
Brilliant, thank you.
Would you like a bag for the fan?
Yes, please.
Here you go. Have a lovely day.
Thanks, you too. Goodbye.
Bye.
Mistake on the bill.
Excuse me, please.
Yes, sir. Did you enjoy your meal?
Yes, very much, thank you. But I think there's a mistake on the bill.
Oh, let me check that for you.
It says 2 portions of fish and chips. I only ordered 1.
Ah, you're right. It's been charged twice.
And it shows 2 teas, but I only had 1.
Yes, that's my error. I'll correct it straight away.
How much should it be then?
1 fish and chips is £11, and 1 tea is £2, so it should be £13 total.
That's right. The bill says $20, so it's $7 too much.
Exactly. Let me print a new one.
Thank you. I appreciate your help.
Of course. Sorry for the mistake. It's been a busy lunch.
No problem at all. These things happen.
I'm glad you liked the food.
It was delicious. Do you always serve it with lemon?
Yes, unless the guest asks not to.
I love lemon. It's very fresh.
Great. Would you like a pudding or another drink?
No, thank you. Just the correct bill, please.
Here it is, £13.
I'll pay by card, please.
Just tap your card here.
Done.
Perfect. Payment is confirmed.
Thanks for fixing it so quickly.
You're very welcome.
I'll definitely come back.
We'd be happy to see you again. Welcome to York.
Thank you. Have a lovely day.
You too. See you soon.
Reservation not found.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Lakeview Hotel. Do you have a booking?
Yes, for today, under Daniel Carter.
One moment, please. I'm not seeing your name in the system.
Are you sure? I booked online 2 weeks ago.
I've checked twice. Nothing appears.
I have the confirmation email right here.
May I see it?
Of course. Look, today's date, a double room for 3 nights.
Ah, yes. I see the booking reference at the bottom.
Thank you.
Let me search again with this number. Still nothing.
I'm certain it's this hotel, right by the lake.
It must be a problem with the booking website.
What can we do now?
We have a free double room with lake views, same price as your booking.
Is it a double room?
Yes, with a lovely view of Windermere.
Perfect. That's exactly what I booked.
Great. The rate is £85 per night, same as your confirmation.
Excellent. I'll stay for 3 nights until Sunday.
All booked. As a small apology, breakfast is on us.
Thank you. That's very kind.
Would you like access to the spa?
Is it included?
It's £8 per day.
No, thank you.
Here's your key for room 305.
Which floor is that?
3rd floor, at the end of the corridor.
Very good.
If you need anything, just call reception.
Noted. Thanks for your help.
You're very welcome. Thank you for your patience.
Have a lovely day.
You too. Enjoy your stay with us.
Wrong seat on the plane.
Excuse me. Sorry to bother you.
Oh, hi. Yes?
I think this might be my seat.
Really? I thought it was mine.
That's strange. Can we check our tickets?
Sure. Here's mine.
Mine says 12B2. Wait, what's your seat letter?
B. But I always sit by the window.
Actually, on this plane, A is the window.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yes, B is the middle seat.
Oh dear, I've been in the wrong seat.
No worries, it happens.
Should I move now?
Yes, please. My bag's under the seat.
Of course. I'll just take my book and water.
Careful with the water, don't spill it.
Don't worry, the lid's on tight.
Thanks so much.
Thank you. So, where are you flying to?
Manchester, for a work meeting.
I'm going to Manchester too. I'm visiting my mom.
Nice. Do you live there?
No, but she does, near Heaton Park.
Do you like flying?
I do, but I always want the window seat.
Me too. That's why I was confused.
Well, you've got the window now, and I've got the aisle.
At least neither of us has the middle seat.
True, that's the worst one.
Have a great flight.
You too. Safe travels.